Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix inspection due on Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and lastly Touareg. So if you have any of these models, this solution should work fine for you. This message indicates that your vehicle is due for a scheduled inspection, which can include an oil change, fluid check, brake inspection, or other routine maintenance items. Before resetting the warning, complete the required maintenance. This ensures your vehicle stays safe and avoid potential issues. Then, if everything is good, all you need to do, guys, is go here to your dashboard. So, in order to get rid of this message, it's pretty simple. First of all, use these buttons right here in the right side of your steering wheel in order to navigate in your dashboard menus. And then what you need to do, guys, is make sure you go to driving data. And then once you do that, make sure that you select range. Once you do that, click on OK. And then once you're here, on the OK button, give it a hold click, like a good hold click for like 5 seconds or so, and then just release the button and you will find this menu right here. As you can see, guys, the second option is going to be reset oil services. Click on it and then you're going to be able to reset the oil services and remove the warning. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.